Hi, kids. This week's assembly is my second to last assembly that I'll be doing in this school year. I can't believe it. The time has really flown. And we've all worked really hard to do our remote learning and to make all of the changes and use our growth mindset in order to pull together during this pretty interesting time, during all this COVID lockdown. And I'm really proud of you, and I'm really proud of everything that you've done to be so successful. Now, this assembly is about change because we are all facing some pretty big changes. We're all, at the end of this school year, going to be moving up a year. And some of you might be moving on to different schools. Now, change can sometimes feel pretty scary, but anytime I'm scared about a change, I always think of what my mom says. And my mom has said to me many, many, many times in my life, Elizabeth, sometimes one good thing has to end for another good thing to start. And that's how I want you to think about the changes that are facing you now. You might feel a little bit worried or anxious or concerned that you are changing year groups. You might be worried about not seeing your same friends. And if you're moving on to a new school, you might be worried about the expectations there. What's it going to be like? And if you're moving up within our school, you might think, well, gosh, who's my teacher and what's going to happen? You're going to have lots and lots of concerns and questions. But think about it this way. You've had a good time so far. And actually, it just keeps getting better. So remember, kids, sometimes one good thing has to finish for another good thing to start. That idea has gotten me through so many changes in my life. And thinking about it now makes me really happy because it makes me think about all of the changes that I've faced in my life. And some have been quite scary, getting a new job and for me moving to a new country. But each time I thought, gosh, it's been okay so far. And so it can only get better. So please keep that in mind as you face the changes that are coming. Be really positive, use your growth mindset, use your resilience, and always be true. That's all I have for today, everybody. Be kind to each other, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.